Example number 3 is going to go over a little bit of carbon dating. And a little side note here, when organic material dies, its carbon-12 remains fixed, whereas its radioactive carbon-14 decays, and it has a half-life of 5,700 years. So anytime you want to estimate the age of a dead organic material, scientists are always using this following formula. So this is R is equal to 1 over 10 to the 12th e to the negative t divided by 8223. That is your ratio of carbon-14 to carbon-12. So if we look at our next example here, here we want to estimate the age of a nearly discovered fossil, which the ratio of carbon-14 to carbon-12 is R equals 1 over 10 to the 14th. Wrong fossil. Sorry, Dad. I know he'd pop in here. Anyway, so what we're going to do is this gives us our R. So if we start off with the equation, R is equal to 1 over 10 to the 12th. We have E to the negative t divided by 8223. Then what we can do is we can substitute this R in here. We can say 1 over 10 to the 14th equals 1 over 10 to the 12th e to negative t over 8223. And what we want to do is we want to multiply both sides here. If we're trying to solve for t, let's multiply both sides by, instead of 1 over 10 to the 12th, let's multiply both sides by a 10 to the 12th on top. So then on the right side, these are going to cancel. You're going to be left with just the e to the negative t divided by 8223. And then on the right, you have 10 to the 12th divided by 10 to the 14th. Well, we have a common base. Okay, do you remember that when you have a common base, you can just subtract your top minus the bottom? So say we had an m to the 5th over m squared, you would just take the top minus the bottom, and you'd say m to the 3rd. Well, in this case, what you're going to get is you're going to get 12 minus 14 is 10 to the negative 2 equals e to the negative t over 8223. And we are going to take the natural log of both sides. So I'm going to ln, the logarithme naturale. Was that French, Latin, Croatian? Not sure. So we get the natural log of 10 to the negative 2 equals negative t over 8223. So let's get t by itself. And let's just multiply both sides by an 8223, and hey, let's even get rid of that negative. So let's just multiply both sides by a negative 8223. And when you plug this into your calculator, you get negative 8223 times the natural log of 10 to the power of negative 2. And, oops, I don't need that one up there. And you get, holy moly, this fossil's really old. You get a time that is approximately 37,868, and we'll make sure if this is years, days, months, this is actually going to be in years. So what carbon-14 measures in years. So there you go. There you have it. And let me help Dad out over here. Give him a few teeth. There we go. Looks a little bit better. And wow, what a difference some teeth make. Nice job, Dad.